What is up, you guys? It's Lance again on your screen and welcome back to another tutorial. 2023 is about to end, that's why I prepared a tutorial video for a channel or social media platform. This video is all about setting your goals for the year 2024, and the best way to do it is through a highlight video or reel. In this video, I will feature a Filmora 13 template which is readily available if you have this software installed on your PC already. If you don't have it yet, download it for free using the link in the description below. To use this template, open your software, go to templates and type New Year Goals. And pick this template named Goals for 2023. You might be asking, I want to create a goals for 2024, why is this 2023? Again, it's a template, it's customizable, so you don't have to worry about it. Click to download the template. Once done, you may now add it to your editing timeline using drag and drop method. Or just hit this plus button. Once you add it to your editing timeline, expand the template to see all of the tracks that you can edit or replace. There you go. As you can see, it generated 6 video tracks and 1 audio track. There are texts, video clips, transitions, and effects which you can freely replace or edit the way you want it. There are sentences from this template which you can retain, but if you still want to say other important things for your viewers, of course you may edit it. Just double click the text clip and you can now edit the words here. By the way, don't forget to replace every 2023 with 2024 so that it's updated. Of course, don't forget to input your own goals for 2024 in this part right here, where the template shows 5 goals, but I think you may still add more as long as it's inside the rectangle, especially if you have so much goals to achieve next year. But then again, in this template, just choose at least 5 to 8 main goals that you want to focus on so that it still looks nice and aesthetic. Onto the videos. To replace these videos right here, you may import your own media. I prepared some of my own videos that I took this year. Of course, it's still up to you what kind of videos you want to add in this template. Just drag, hold Alt key, and drop it to the video clip which you want to replace. You will see that there's a plus sign indicating that you will replace that clip, so watch out with that because you might add the clip instead of just placing it as a replacement, which can ruin the template itself. Nonetheless, you can still hit undo or Ctrl+Z, but if you don't want to have your timeline get messy, just beware of your modifications. Once you replace all of the video clips in the template, you may still do other things such as replacing the background music or adding your own outro or intro for your content. And if you're already satisfied with it, you may now export it and upload your goals for 2024 in your social media platform. And there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you want to watch more, don't forget to subscribe. It's Lance and I'm signing off. Keep creating and I'll see you next time.